Crafters, Jerry with Crafty Stash, and I am coming to you with fancy folded cards, and this is hosted by myself and Paige, who is Stamp Girl here on YouTube, and I will have her link down below. Please go and check her out, subscribe, like, and do all those wonderful things because she's a great card crafter. I decided to do a something that was a little unusual for me, to do a long card. And this will fit in a business size envelope. Now, I have a ton of business size envelopes. I don't know about you. And I'm not in business anymore, so I really have no use for them other than my card making. So I decided to find something that I could use that envelope with. They're very simple card to do. It looks complicated, but it's not. And let me just show you very quickly how I did it. We will flip it over. This is a 12 by 9 piece of paper. Obviously, I used a one-sided. You can use two-sided, would probably be nicer, although you don't see the other side unless you flip it over. Haha. Then all you have to do is divide it up, score it at 3 inches, 6 inches, 9 inches, and that will be the 12. So you'll have 4 boxes that way. Then you turn it over and you'll do it at 3, 6, and, well, just 3 and 6 is where you'll do it. It's 9 inches long. Then what you do is take this middle box. There are all of these boxes. How many are there? 12. And you take the middle one on either side and divide it in half. Now, we all make mistakes, and I made a mistake. I cut this. You don't cut that. You cut from the 1.5 inch mark on either side, top and bottom of this box, to the other. So you will cut from here to there on either side of this center box. 1.5 inches in top and bottom. That's it. Then you fold it. So how I folded this is just the center one is the mountain, and the bottom and top are the valleys, and it goes like that. Now, this will fold in like this, if I can do it. Just like that. So whatever you put in the center, just make sure you leave that open. Don't attach it to that part of it, and it will bend properly. And there you go. Now, I've seen them called zigzag cards, but then I've seen other cards, the one that I did last time with the zigzag in it, called zigzag cards. So, but you can find them around. I wasn't able to find an English-speaking video on it, but that's fine. I figured it out. And even if it was in metric, it's just the same. It's all the same. And then I just put some pieces here. I put my granddaughter's name there and made a cute little card. There you go. And then you can fit them very nicely into a business-sized envelope. And you have a different kind of a card. So I think I'm going to look for more of these size cards to do for my fancy folds, and give us something different, some other different sizes to look at besides our A2s and our 6x6s and that. There you go. I hope you have a great day. Again, check out Paige, and we will see you next time. Fancy Fold Cards. Bye. Go craft.